We have been driving the European automotive industry for 36 years. We have transformed a family business into an organization that now operates in 21 European countries, helping garages to keep pace with the market every day. Because in this industry, every second counts. Response time, availability, precision of operation, and the confidence that everything is working exactly as it should. We support independent automotive garages. These are the people responsible for ensuring the safety of millions of drivers every day. We don't just provide them with spare parts, we provide them with a whole ecosystem of modern solutions that enable them to operate faster, more efficiently, and more reliably. Our core values remain unchanged. A family-run investor, long-term thinking, demonstrating courage in decision-making. It is precisely these values that provide us with the stability required to facilitate growth, make investments, and shape the future of the market. We work every day to make garages more effective, reduce customer service times, improve work quality, capitalize on the mistakes of others to gain a significant advantage. Intercars offers the widest range of parts in Central and Eastern Europe. We offer over 750,000 parts for passenger cars, trucks, construction and agricultural machinery, motorcycles and boats, all with fast delivery. This includes mass-produced items such as tires, oils and batteries. We provide equipment and services for garages that can help businesses grow. Everything in one place, ready for action. Scale isn't everything, because for us it's the people that matter most. Our team of experts operates like a well-coordinated pit stop. Fast, precise, and always looking ahead. Technology is now part of every kilometer of this road. Our applications speed up processes, simplify daily work, and boost garage efficiency. They save you time, allowing you to invest the extra time in development. Our logistics work exactly as they should in the modern market. Automated, precise. Built to ensure that the part you need arrives exactly when you need it. No downtime, no compromises. We also take our business responsibilities seriously. Through our foundation, we educate, support and promote road safety. We want to have a real impact on the environment. At Intercars, we don't wait for the future, we create it. We invest, we simplify, we automate, we speed up. We know that advantages are built not at the finish line, but in every well-used moment along the way. Intercars, saving time, powering progress.